Hi, I'm Sainath. I'm a sales and business development professional. My education background is I'm a commerce graduate and I did my diploma in management. I started my career as a salesman and went on to become a regional sales head. I passed 7 levels in about 7 years. I joined as a salesman in dealer sales division. It was virtually a startup then. I went on to appoint dealers and develop them, motivate them to sell products. And in about 7 years, I became a regional head. Once I became a regional head, my region was adjudged as the best region for 5 years in a row. I've recruited, developed and trained people so that they became successful. Some of them are occupying prime positions today. Well, my career achievements are, I was a successful sales leader and my region was adjudged as the best region for 5 years in a row. I've turned around weaker markets. I have recruited and developed sales leaders who are pretty successful in occupying prime positions today. That goes to prove that my hiring decisions are right. I'm very successful in forging vendor relationships. I've introduced products that were very successful in the marketplace. I've introduced products with winning combinations so that the salesman is well equipped to close more sales. I'm a fast learner. I've developed and designed and executed market expansion plans and strategies, both in terms of width and depth. I've started business units and attained critical mass within a stipulated period of time. One important highlight of my career is my Sri Lanka assignment. I was asked to go to Sri Lanka and develop the Sri Lankan market. It was a completely new market, new place. The task was to develop the market there. So I went there, we had to set up a sales team there. So I had literally set up the sales team right from recruiting, training, hand-holding them so that they can act on their own and sell independently. I had developed sales and customer engagement tools to capture the Sri Lankan market. I have myself went and acquired more institutional and residential customers. I was pretty successful in developing the Sri Lankan market in about 6 months of time. My hobbies are quizzing, debates, and I love award-winning platforms and felicitation platforms. Net, I'm a proven successful sales leader because my region got the best sales region award for 5 years in a row. I'm hands-on in developing route to market strategies. I've done it thrice in my career. I've turned around weaker markets. I'm good at hiring people, training and developing people. My partnerships that I forged with vendors and the products that I've introduced have proven successful. The teams are happy, the vendors are happy, the company is happy. I am a fast learner and will be able to adapt myself to any circumstance, any condition. I've proven successful in Southern India as a South Zone Regional Manager. I proved successful as a Sales Development Manager in my Pan India role. I've proven successful in my overseas assignment in Sri Lanka. I'm also doing my bit in my current role as a Franchise Channel Development Manager. And I'm sure I'll be able to live up to the expectations in any role that I get. I was successful as a salesman, that was a part of a territory. I was successful as a state head, that was a complete state. I was successful as a regional head, that was handling the entire region. I was successful as a sales development manager in a pan-India role in security systems division. I'm sure I've proven successful. I'm doing my bit to make my franchise channel as strong as possible. I've proven in India, I've proven an overseas assignment in Sri Lanka, and I'm sure I'll be able to deliver the goods and I'll be able to adapt to any conditions so that I can emerge victorious. This is my belief because energy and persistence conquer all things, as said by Benjamin Franklin. Thank you.